Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to enter safe mode on your Lenovo laptop. If your Lenovo laptop is working normally and you can sign into Windows, this is the easiest way to enter safe mode. First, right-click the Start button and select Settings. In the Settings window, click System from the left-hand menu, then scroll down and select Recovery. Under Advanced Startup, click Restart Now. Then click Restart Now again to confirm. Your laptop will restart and open the Windows recovery screen. Here, click Troubleshoot. Then click on Advanced Options, and then select Startup Settings. On the next screen, click on Restart. After your laptop restarts, you'll see a list of startup options. Press 4 or F4 on your keyboard to enter safe mode. Your Lenovo laptop will restart one more time and boot into safe mode. Once you sign in, you'll see the words Safe Mode in the corners of your screen, confirming that you've successfully entered safe mode. And that's how you can enter safe mode on a Lenovo laptop running. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more helpful laptop tutorials.